everybody. Welcome to my house filming videos. This one's a little more simple than a lot of the ones that I've seen, but they're all interesting to me, so I'm going to film this one anyway. A lot of people have been asking if I have anything to do with these houses, builders, or if I'm buying, or if I'm making any monetary gain. None, neither. I'm just doing this for my own enjoyment. That's the only gain I get from these videos. But it's so much fun. I learn a lot about houses. Right, you walk in the front door. Come on, camera, focus here. Oh, why is this so out of focus? There we go. So I just walked in. Never been in this house before. This is either a big office or a dining room with a tornado shelter built into it. I wonder why that tornado shelter wasn't just facing in the garage. I don't get it. This is a very big room, by the way. And then, okay, off here, you get your fireplace. You get your big sliders, dining room, kitchen. Well, let's go in here. Now, the master bedroom is quite small, but it's got a tall tray ceiling. And a good-sized bathroom, the little window. And then, not sure, is that the shower or the tub? I think this is the tub. And, oh, and there's the shower. And then there are the sinks. Toilet, water closet. This little hallway to get into the shower. And then this is the closet. Quite a tall ceiling, big window for a closet. But that it is. And then the laundry room right in front. All right. Then you get a niche. Very big space in here. Okay, this is interesting. You get this cranny, and then you get this big room in here. I'm guessing this is the bonus room. Tall ceiling. 8-foot door. Big patio. I'm guessing these will all be cabinets or whatever. And then there are 2 bedrooms back here. So this is one bedroom with its closet. It looks like the tub is ready to be laid in. Share a bathroom. No. Because this is another bedroom with its own bathroom. And door to the outside, which is interesting. Closet, and then a closet. Alright, now before time runs out, I want to go up those stairs. And I can't get over just how big this space is. 12-foot ceilings, most likely. Now, this is interesting. You just get this really big space in here. Under the stairs. Interesting. And it's right behind the kitchen. Big 3-car garage. Looks like there's just a bunch of duct work that they're ready to put in. All the electrical lines. I ain't gonna touch any of that stuff because I leave every construction site as I found it. So you're just going straight into the attic. It's very hot up here. Well, I mean, but it's very hot outside, too. It's only, like, April. Goodness, it's so hot up here. It's like a trackless jungle up here. With just ductwork and... Alright. And as per usual, I want to go out back and look at the back of the house. Oh, one other thing. People have been commenting about my own houses that I would build in SketchUp. I wonder why a lot of the times they have a very European-ish look to them. I get my inspiration a lot from houses in this area. And also in the area. I used to live in Texas. So that's why a lot of the houses I do, you know, really have a Texas look to them. Of course, this is Oklahoma, but there are some similarities in the into the building of houses. And for the most part, we don't have basements. So we gotta have these above ground tornado shelters in some of them. And I just thought I would give you a better view of the back of the house here. There's a lot of kids in this neighborhood. But I guess that's a good sign, you know. I mean, it's a safe place. A lot of play sets. I almost got myself stuck there. Alright, well, that's the house. As per usual, I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be happy to see you in the next video. Alrighty then. Goodbye.